Hey guys, just update on my homemade DIY chicken feeder. You can see here, following others' designs on YouTube. Made this thing out of a plastic container, worked really well till the rats started chewing at the top. Noticed there was droppings over the lid, and then I found this hole, started dealing with the rats with baiting, etc. Then one day I noticed the hens were making quite a bit of a mess with the food, to find that the rats have chewed a hole in the bottom. So anyway, I thought, scratch my head, what can't rats eat through? And I thought, metal. So I bought myself a metal drum. This time it's a bit bigger, so I made 3 holes, and I'm going to install the same. Just cut a notch in the back of the PVC elbow. I used my angle grinder, nice and easy. So as you can see, I've already cut the other 2, and the way it fits, you just squeeze it in like that and push it in to the back till it's firmly in place. And then, as you can see from inside there, the hens should have access to the seed as before. And now all I've got to do is, I was thinking of riveting using blind rivets and attaching it in, but it seems, here it is everyone, finished. What I've done at the back is I've actually put hooks. I guess you learn from your previous mistakes. This one was permanently stuck in spot, but this one I can take off in case I need to clean it. Now, if in case you're wondering, I cut these from the PVC, set the drop saw to 45 degrees to get the edge, and then just a 90-degree cut. They pop in here and give the food a little bit more protection from the rain. Hens can reach it quite easily. Alright, here it is in the coop, hanging up quite nicely, very sturdy and elevated, so hopefully those rodents won't be able to chew through this steel. I think the design has worked out quite well. Let's just see how it goes in practice.